The duplicate ratio, myth or fact? People, when they hear the phrase, duplicate ratio, either do not know what is meant, or think that they know when they do not, or know but only know partially, or know in full what is meant. Our knowledge ranges within those limits. Let us take a common figure, the right triangle, and show what some claim is impossible to show, the duplicate ratio, or the solution to the so-called Delian problem. For the ease of understanding, this demonstration is pairing the arithmetic naming convention directly to the geometric naming convention. Most people can understand the arithmetic naming convention better than the geometric. But most people know that this figure goes back into history thousands of years, and in all that time, a lot of very bright people thought they knew it, forward and backward. To be sure, great mathematicians knew all these relationships. Duplicate ratios in geometry are simply a fact. What is wanted is a standard of measure incorporating the figure itself, that is, to know its vanishing point, or as some say, its singularity, or point of origin, which is not shown in the figure. In such a figure, every duplicate ratio would be expressed simply as an angle. There is no question, in any educated mathematician's mind, that duplicate ratios not only exist, but that the figure could be found. It is only the frustrated mathematician, looking at a problem he could not solve, which incited the myth that the figure any educated mathematician could produce did not exist. The existence of the duplicate ratio is given in a very primitive and well-known figure, and it has stumped the educated mathematicians, because they could not banish the figure they could produce with their own hand. It had to have a solution. It has become known as the Delian problem not because it is impossible, but because it is clearly possible and questions our knowledge, as Plato noted, of geometry. In conclusion, one was not asked to find a duplicate ratio, but to solve the Delian problem, that is, find the vanishing point, as duplicate ratios are a given. The Cubinator. Now, for a limited time, you too can own the Cubinator for just $29.95. And for a limited time also, as a free gift, you will be given the attachment to it, which will take the cube root of very, very small numbers. Hurry now, and own your very own Cubinator. Assembly required.
False words are not only evil in themselves, but they infect the mind with evil. Phaedo by Plato,